The 24-hour trading rate for Safemoon is floating at 24, which is a lot. Right now, the real price of Safemoon is $0.0001 US. Safemoon price runs show signs of optimism on the 7-day price chart, which is usually very important. Safemoon faces competition at $0.000200, which is, on the whole, a very big number. August 18, 2023, in this video, we'll mostly show you how much Safemoon costs right now or a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the questions people often ask about pressing problems. The facts: what really counts is what the short-term price expectations are for Safemoon. Unlike what most people think, this is usually a really smart investment. Safemoon support and resistance levels, etc., in a big way. But before we get too deep into the Safemoon technical analysis, let's talk about the economy. August 18, 2023, in this video, we'll walk you through the Safemoon cost investigation for now or for about a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important problems. The facts: what is a realistic cost plan for Safemoon in the real world? Is Safemoon a very smart investment in a very big way? Market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84, bringing the total value of the cryptocurrency market to $1,053,100,425,532. Despite what most people think, the total value of all transactions still stands at $71,015,534,287, so Safemoon support and resistance levels can be explained in a straightforward way. Bitcoin has 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This is contrary to what most people think, which is what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $2,610.98 after a drop of 8.17%. In the past 24 hours, the value of Ethereum has dropped by 6.02% to $1,668.26. These events kind of show that the market is going down at the moment, which means that the 24-hour trading volume for Safemoon is probably at 24, or so they thought right now, and in every practical sense. All over the crypto market, prices are falling, which is usually a very bad sign. For example, at the time this blog post was published, BNB was trading at 217.42, after a price change of 5.26 in the same time period. Safemoon support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where the trend can change. Contrary to popular belief, support is a price level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling any further. Here are the amounts of support and opposition for Safemoon execution. Most of the time, the day-to-day chart of Safemoon shows that the price of Safemoon is actually going down, with a 0.25 decrease in price every day. Buy in bulk. Even though most people don't agree, after 24 hours the value of the Safemoon coin has stayed at 0.00001, with a market capitalization of $3,108,915 US. Here are the amounts of support and opposition for Safemoon. Safemoon was put to death. The daily chart of Safemoon shows that the price usually goes down by 0.25, and that the price changes by 0.96 over the course of a week. The trading volume for Safemoon is usually around $24, which shows that the 24-hour trading volume for Safemoon is usually around $24. Safemoon price lookup. Safemoon value exam for August 18, 2023. Insight and daily time period kind of made sense below, showing how support is a point where customers become more beautiful, dynamic and, for the most part, stop the coin's price from falling any further. This is especially true if you look at how Safemoon sort of countenances block at 0.000200, which is very important. We use some kind of relative strength index, RSI, moving in every way that really matters. MACD backing levels, resistance levels, and different time span moving midpoints. including kind of basic moving, really normal small and dramatic moving in every practical sense. In a real way, normal emo to check out how the Safemoon will change in the future, which is really important. The Safemoon US dollar moving sort of standard combination uniqueness as the MACD line moves under the signal line, it shows that bears are in charge, or so they thought. On the other hand, Safemoon's Williams % marker is at 0 for the last 14 days, which shows that the market is overbought. In a real sense, transient pattern cost remedy is a kind of extra look. Why XRP? The most common value of XRP is around 13.42, and it is currently trading at 51 cents. Bitcoin price prediction as $5 billion in trading volume puts BTC back in the green. Is it time to buy? In the complicated world of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is at the forefront of strategic discussions. Its impressive $5 billion trade volume, which has put the asset back in the black, is a good example of this. Even with this momentum, the commodity is worth about $26,011 as of Monday, which is a slight drop of nearly 0.1%. This price isn't just based on how the market works, it's also heavily influenced by how people feel. The recent ideas President Biden made about how cryptocurrency tax reporting standards should work have gotten the global cryptocurrency group very busy with discussions. Also, the financial markets are acting more cautiously after Chairman Powell's pointed comments about the current U.S. inflation rates, which he says are too high. As people try to make sense of this complicated web, the most important question is whether Bitcoin is a good way to trade in the current financial system. Different people have different opinions about what Biden wants to do with crypto tax reporting standards. People with a lot of influence in the cryptocurrency world are worried about the new crypto tax reporting rules that U.S. Vice President Joe Biden is proposing. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, plan to make brokers follow tax laws better by giving them tighter rules has been criticized. Crypto experts worry that these rules could make it hard for crypto companies to do business in the U.S. Some people think that the strict rules could slow down innovation and make the business leave the country. Some people, like CEO of Messari Ryan Selkes and president of CoinFund Chris Perkins, think that the rules could slow down growth and new ideas. In light of these worries, the BTC/USD exchange rate is going down, which may be due to these regulation changes. When Powell warns of high inflation in the U.S., investors get nervous. Asia's cryptocurrency market was stable on Monday, despite comments from U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell about how high inflation is still going. CoinTime Economics by Glass